Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trigger crossbreeding process in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, make sure you have unlocked the gardening system. Then buy two flowers of the same species and plant them right next to each other. They also need to be at the same star level or within 1 star level of each other for the best chance of crossbreeding. Next, let both flowers grow until they're fully bloomed. Don't harvest them once they're mature. Instead, leave them planted in your garden because mature flowers are the ones that can produce hybrid seeds. And after that, you're going to water your flowers every day. It also helps if your friends or other players water them, since additional watering can improve your chances of triggering the crossbreeding. Now, simply wait for the daily crossbreeding check. If you're successful, you'll see a floating seed appear above one of the flowers. Collect that seed, and you've just triggered the crossbreeding process. If no seed appears, don't worry. Keep the flowers planted, continue watering them, and try again after the next daily reset. And this is one of the crossbreeding seed. And okay guys, that's how you trigger the crossbreeding process in Heartopia. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!